and ice cream castles in the air, and feathered canyons everywhere. I've looked at clouds that way, but now they only block the sun. They rain and snow on everyone. So many things I would have done, but clouds got in my way. I've looked at clouds from both sides now, from up and down, and still somehow it's clouds' illusions I recall. I really don't know clouds at all. Moons and Junes and Ferris wheels, the dizzy dancing way you feel when every fairy tale comes real. I've looked at love that way, but now it's just another show. You leave 'em laughing when you go, and if you care, don't let them know. Don't give yourself away. I've looked at love from both sides now, from win and lose, and still somehow it's love's illusions I recall. I really don't know love at all. Tears and fears and feeling proud to say I love you right out loud. Schemes and dreams and circus crowds. I've looked at life that way, but now old friends are acting strange. They shake their heads, they say I've changed. Well, something's lost, but something's gained in living every day. I've looked at life from both sides now, from give and take, and still somehow it's life's illusions I recall. I really don't know life at all.
Hi Ricky, it's 5 o'clock in the morning here, and they told me to come up with a video on our fond memories together. Anyway, kung sasabihin ko lahat, I'll take all the time. So I just like to greet you a happy birthday, and I'll be there in September, and we can relive all those memories. Okay? Happy birthday, kiddo.
Happy 60th birthday, Mang Ricky. Wow, time flies so fast. Imagine all the people living in the world today. In a couple of years, you have built a home, sweet home. And you have a couple of kids running in the yard. Wow, they're now adults. Well, one good thing I remember about you is that you always take a sad song and you make it better. Yeah, the minute you know, then you begin to make it better. Now, I know you've been to so many places, and there are places that you will remember all your life. Some are gone and some remain, but all these places have their memories. With lovers and friends, you still can recall. But in your life, I know you love them all. That's good. So, and lastly, okay, when you find yourself in times of trouble, just whisper words of wisdom, and let it be. After all, you all live in a yellow submarine, so just live happily ever after, even in the marketplace. Life goes on, brah.
Happy birthday, Tito Ricky! Enjoy senior life!
Ingat po palagi.
Ingat mo palagi, pati po sa family.
God bless.
God bless.
Hi po, Tito Ricky. Happy birthday. Pasensya na po kung ngayon lang po nakapag-greet. Happy birthday, Tito Ricky. Good health. God bless always. Keep safe everyday po pag po papasok po sa trabaho. Ingat po kayo lahat dyan. Happy birthday po ulit. Bye!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. God bless.
Happy birthday, Tito Ricky from Julian family. Wishing you happiness and good health.
Kuya Ricky, or Tito Ricky, happy 60th birthday. Yan. Sana palagi kang malusog sa pangangatawan, sa pag-iisip, at sa espiritu. Classic na kwento para sa mga nakikinig. Yung grade 1 ako, grade 6 si Kuya Ricky, palakad kami pupunta sa school. Negosyante talaga yung tito ko. Binentahan ako ng pambura, ang laki. Noong mga time na yun, may malaki ang baong ko eh. Mga panahon na yun, ang piso malaki na. Binenta niya sa akin yung pambura, 50 centimos. Sabi niya, maganda itong pambura na to. Ang laki pa. Binili ko naman. Pagdating dun sa school eh, hindi mabura, di ba kabura, napupulit yung papel ko. Iyak ako ng iyak. Sabi ko, balik mo sa akin yung 50 centimos ko. Dahil itong binenta mo sa akin pambura. Hindi naman nakakabura, nakakasira ng papel. Yung pala, yung binenta niya sa akin, yung kinat niyang tsinelas, ninegosyo ako. Iyak ako ng iyak, wala siya nagawa kundi ibalik sa akin yung 50 centimos. Mga siguro, mga 5 taon ako noon. Siya, grade 6. Nakakatuwa, classic yun. Negosyante talaga yung chewing ko. Happy birthday, Ricky. Happy 60th birthday. God bless you always.
2, 3, okay na.
Okay,
Happy birthday, Ricky.
sige, ako na. O, Ricky, una sa lahat, happy birthday sa'yo. Ilan taon ka na? 60? Mukhang bata pa. Sa ngayon, nandito kami ngayon, si Jorel, wala. May pinunta niya, nasa Raon. Ito, yung kaninang birthday ko, nag-practice muna kami, ito ang final. Gusto ko kasama yung mga apo. Una-una, nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na inabot mo ang 60 birthday mo na. Sana marami pang birthday ang dumating sa'yo. Ito ngayon, gusto kong ang mga apo, bumati. Ikaw muna, Tristan. Happy birthday. Kaya sabi mo, happy birthday, Lolo Ricky.
Happy birthday, Lolo Ricky! Sana magkita na tayo, namimiss ka na namin.
Okay lang.
Ikaw, salita ka.
Birthday na ako. Eto, Ricky, nagpapasibayo na naman salita si Kuya Edwin mo.
Hindi, kaya practice.
Napapatawa na lang ako sa kanya.
Ito nga, Ricky.
Nagpa-practice daw
Ito
siya.
nga, Ricky. Sinaselebrate ko na birthday mo kahit
Inom
ako
pa siya
naman sa dito.
Inom pa siya ng alak ko.
Oo.
Nagpapatawa na lang kami.
Padulitin!
Sana dagdag kaya ng happy birthday from Bognor family of Taguig.
Oh, Ricky. Happy 60th birthday. God bless. Sana enjoy yung birthday mo. At welcome sa Senior Citizens Club. Okay. Happy birthday. Enjoy kayo dyan. Pati sa pamilya mo. Ay, ingat. Okay. Thank you.
Ricky, kumusta ka na? Una-una, binabati kita sa iyong ika-60 kaarawan at welcome sa samahan ng mga senior. Minsan nga, itong araw nga ito, nag-flashback sa isip ko na nung maliit ka pa at siguro ka pa lang naglalakad, sabi ng nanay, Rudy, alagaan mo kapatid mo para makapaglaba ko, makapagmalengke, at mapagluto. Ginagawa ko nun, papasyal kita sa paligid ng Bago Isla dahil simula ka palang naglalakad nun. Ngayon, ang bilis na ng panahon. Magka-level na tayo. Pareho na tayong senior. Kanya, laking pasalamat ko. At nakikita pa tayo kahit sa ganung panahon, kahit na hindi na kompleto yung ating pamilya. Kaya naniniwala ako sa kasabihan na life is a constant change and nothing stays the same. Kung ito'y iniram ko sa kanta ni Jose Marichanz na constant change. Kaya ang bilis ng panahon, kaya ang masasabi ko lang, we should enjoy every moment as it comes. Yun lang ang mensahe ko. At sana, enjoy mo tong very special day sa iyong buhay. Ingat lahat kayo dyan. Okay, salamat.
Happy birthday, Willow. You are the best. And I never see you. I love you. And I always love you. I always kiss you. And I love you so much. Done.
Viral Video Show.
ViralVideoShow.com.
Wishes you. Happy birthday. Love you. Munax.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.